Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want a Slack notification every time you make a sale on Gumroad. It's pretty doable. If you are selling digital products, getting instant alerts can help you track performance and celebrate every sale. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to Slack using Zapier, or even make if you want to, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So before even going through Zapier, we want to access our Gumroad. All you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, open the section here, or basically the Gumroad.com platform, tap on the link. It will take you automatically to this new tab where you should just log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. As for now, we will jump all the way to Zapier and select Gumroad here, then pair it with the other app called Slack. Okay, Slack, this is it. It has a cool logo as well. So for the trigger app, we have to select Gumroad. Then we have to select a new sale. This trigger fires every time a sale occurs. As for the action, let's go with send channel message or whatever. Send channel message, this is it. Post a message or straight reply to a channel. You can also schedule it to send it later. That's good. Make sure also you sign in and connect your Gumroad account using your API key so the process would go smooth. Then connect your Slack account to the channel where you want notifications and customize the message with details like buyer name, product purchase, price, and even the email section, or the whole email if you want to. Then you can integrate it for free or start with Google for free also if you want to. Now every Gumroad sale will automatically send a message to your Slack channel once you publish it. As for like a bonus tips, create a dedicated sales channel in Slack. You can also add emojis or formatting to make alerts stand out. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.